म्हादय जल विवाद लवादाच्या निर्णयाक आव्हान दिवपी गोयचे स्पेशल लीव पिटिशन फाल्यां सुप्रीम कोर्टात येवपाक शकता. सुनावणे खातीर लिस्टार आसा. गोयचे लिगल टिमीन सगळी तयारी केल्या. गोंयान आपले दावे घटमूट करपाक सपोर्टिंग डॉक्युमेंट तयार दवरल्यात. ते कोर्टा मुखार दवरतले.
Our applications are there, certain application like application to produce certain documents which were not produced before the tribunal, like report of CWC of the year 1993, then the report of CWC of the year 2019, and there is one document which we want to produce on record, that is a report of IIT Mumbai, which these documents we feel will support our case, which were not produced before the tribunal. That application we will press for. Plus we have some arguments to be made as far as this amendment application is concerned, because to produce this on record we'll have to amend also. So that will also press for.
दुसरे वटेन कर्नाटकानूय मोठी तयारी केल्या. कळसा भांडोलीचे कामांक गोयच्या चीफ वायल्ड लायफ वॉर्डनान काम बंद म्हणून दिल्ले नोटीसेक आव्हान.
Karnataka has also filed an IA to challenge the order of the chief wildlife warden, which has been passed by the Goa chief wildlife warden. So there the hearing would take place on those applications.
फाल्यां एक केस लांबपाक शकता. चड लांबल्यार म्हादेची केस परत फुडें धुकलत म्हूण भंय.
Position of the listing is concerned, there is one matter at serial number 1 tomorrow, which is a tax matter, which is likely to go on for long time. So we hope that that matter doesn't take place and our matter will be called out. If that matter takes place, it will take a long time. So we only hope and pray that our matter will be called off tomorrow so that we can argue the matter.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.